these assets that used to be extremely liquid no longer are. And the days of listing on Thursday, having the phones, and emails blow up on Friday, having multiple offers Saturday and closing on Sunday, those days are over. Those days are over on Maui, they're over in Hawaii, they're over in the rest of North America as well. Just checking in from Maui, staying right on the border of 𝘾𝙀𝙉 and 𝘋𝙊𝙉. And ever since I was a kid, I was always interested in the cost of things and what markets were hot and what's going on. So whenever I'm in a place like this, I look at the paper, I see what things are going for, and I got to tell you, I was shocked. I know prices are coming off and transactions are cooling, North American wide with higher rates, but Maui is seeing just look at this view, guys. Look at this perfect beach. I'd pronounce the name if I could. So back to Maui, okay? Island-wide, year to date through July 2022. Transactions are down, listings are down 40%, closed transactions, closed sales are down 20%. So there's a huge disconnect here, guys, between what things used to be worth, what they're worth today with higher interest rates, right? And when you look at some of these premier markets, I'm going to talk about 𝘋𝙬 in a moment, but when you look at some of these premier markets where the houses are selling in the mid 7 figures or even the 8 figures, interest rates still matter. They're still a big deal, right? You're talking about hundreds of thousands, if not millions more in interest on some of these loans for these inflated prices, right? So we're seeing a big cooling off, and I think it's going to continue. Now let's talk about 𝘋𝙬 and McKenna. These two towns, they group together, okay? And year to date, transactions for single family homes, single family, 𝘋𝙬 and McKenna, down 45%, okay? 45%. When you look at the condo market, transactions are down 55% year to date. Stunning. So what does this tell you, right? Buyers aren't interested. They're not willing to pay what they were last year. There's at least a few more rate hikes coming, at least 2 or 3 rate hikes coming, and asset prices are going to be under pressure. Values are going to be under pressure, and the days of purchasing a home and paying 1% or 1.5% or 2% interest are over. And people are still coming to terms with that, particularly the sellers, right? To see that number of transactions down, listings are down huge. So these assets that used to be extremely liquid no longer are. And the days of listing on Thursday, having the phones, and emails blow up on Friday, having multiple offers Saturday and closing on Sunday, those days are over. Those days are over on Maui, they're over in Hawaii, they're over in the rest of North America as well.